Hello guys, once again. Last time we talked about creating or interacting the database so that you can get the values that you need to feed in into your SDK push code. So you have, I am assuming that you already did that. You got your values, you got your phone number, you got your amount, and your code was running well. You got a successful response code from your tests. Success request accepted for processing. I hope that was the message that you got. If not, then go check on your code once again. Maybe there's an error somewhere. So today I'm going to talk with you, or to show you. I don't know if it's the right way to put it. I'm going to show you how to actually place or create a shortcode, a PHP shortcode for your website. So I'm having the codes with me. I'm having the pages with me. Now I want to feed them into my website. I want the user to actually interact with my code in the front end. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to XYZ PHP code. It's a plugin that I installed after a series of reviews and research. And I'm going to create a new shortcode or a PHP code snippet. So I'm going to do it from scratch. We are going to go with you guys step by step. So these are tracking name, Mpesa integration. It's a requirement. Now here is where you place your actual PHP code that is going to run the whole system. So here is my code. It is a SDK push code that I came up with, or I was provided with from Daraj API. For those who don't know, Daraj API is a Safaricom platform. You need to create an account with them. I have an account with them. You need to create apps with them. There are sandbox apps where you can just run your tests. I have several of them. That is 1, 2, 3, around 7, 6 apps where I do my tests for M-Pesa integration. There's a production APIs. Production apps. I have one that is for my client, Drivers Cover Insurance. So that is it. That's the Raj API. Just go create an account with them. Safaricom developers. There's an email, the safaricom.safaricom.co.ke. That is it. Create an account with them, and you'll get to know so much from the documentation and the forums and the frequently asked questions. That is it. So we're going to copy the code, the main code, that is the SDK push code here. We're going to copy everything there and paste it onto our PHP code section here. I hope all things goes well. So let's create the snippet and see what happens. I hope it all goes well. PHP snippet successful added. So we have our PHP snippet added, and it's that simple. We have our code here, snippet shortcode here. You can just copy it, the status it is active. Now you can go to the pages where you want to place the snippet. As for me, I will place it into a Forminator page, Forminator form. This is a form where my user is interacting with all the things that I'm selling outside there. So this is the form here itself. I want the code to run after all these processes. After the customer has placed his number and pressed done, the code should run. So where is the form? Here is the form, copy of payment form. I had form number 1, but I had come up with another copy. So that is it. There is my form. I'm going to edit it. Sorry guys. I don't know why I'm fumbling. I'm going to edit it. So here it is. These are the how do you call it? These are the fields. I don't need the fields. I think I need to go to behavior. behavior. I need to go to settings and behavior. Yeah, here it is, settings. I need to go to settings. Where am I? This appearance. I don't need to alter the behavior. Here is where you get to code your page depending on what you need. So after submission, I need to add the code itself, inline message. So I had previously placed a shortcode that shows the checkout form. So in this same place, I think it will work. Let me paste my Mpesa integration snippet shortcode, and that is it. Let's apply changes, update the form, and see what happens after my submission. So the form has been saved successfully. Let's go to the page itself. So let me refresh the page again. Continue. I don't know if it will bring me in the same place. I hope so. So I've refreshed the page. Whoa. Yeah, I don't know what has happened there. It was not supposed to happen that way. Okay, so let's go step by step once again. Let me pick the product that I'm buying. Let me select. So after placing the automatic placing the phone number there, after pressing done, I want you to see what happens there. The shortcode, remember I placed the shortcode such that when you press done, the shortcode calls the page and does everything for you. So I'm pressing done. So it is running, it's submitting the forms and all the entries that I have within the form. So here it is. Thank you for contacting us. We'll be in touch shortly. So here it is. This is my phone number. This is the total amount that I have applied for, and that is the total charges. So unfortunately I cannot show you my phone, but yeah, I can cast it. Next time I will cast it for you guys so that you can see what is happening on my phone. So there is an SDK push that has come to my phone that I'm requested to pay 1,400 to Drivers Covers Insurance Agency, and if I place the Mpesa pin, I can download now my the process will be the payment will be processed, and I can download now my checkout. Let's save it and have a look on how the checkout is. So this is something that I created myself. The checkout, I designed it by myself with the help of the plugins that are available at WordPress backend. So guys, the program is working so well. Here it is. Kenneth Jonah, email address, phone number, some policy statements there. Is the premium selection, the selections of the premiums that I've selected, is the total amount that I'm supposed to pay. So you can print it and have it as an evidence for the payment process that you had. So that is it, guys. I've already so simply inserted or incorporated my code onto my website using the plugins that are available. XYZ PHP code, that is the best plugin so far. I've tried code snippets, but it's quite it's not friendly for beginners especially, but it is workable. But I will recommend XYZ PHP code for all the PHP users. Thank you, guys.